Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. It's really cold out in New England where I live today, but the birds are still able to visit their bird bath thanks to this heater from OUTTUO. This heater is made of steel aluminum and is completely submergible in water, and it will keep everything nice and warm for their water. The heater is really easy to operate. All you do is basically plug it into an outside outlet and then make sure that you drop it completely into water. And I will say that it is very heavy feeling, and it's also rust proof, so we don't have to worry about that. What's also really nice about this is it really uses low electricity, so it's not that in caring for the birds we have to jack up our electric bill, but rather it just very quietly operates, keeping the water nice and defrosted. Everything else out here is completely frozen and really cold, but thanks to this heater, the bird bath is defrosted and ready and waiting for all of our backyard friends. But that's just my point of view.